Throw it. Whoa.
You're right. Do.
I failed. It's not a balloon.
Throw it to me, bud.
It takes 5 minutes for him to throw it back.
Throw it to me.
There you go.
Whoa.
Yay!
Scoot over by the couch. Let's do a long ball. Ready? Right there.
Yo.
Get it off the thing first. Rip it off. There it is. Whoa!
Nice hit. I'm good ball.
Oh, no, use your teeth. No, just rip it off with your. What are you doing? Rip it off with your hand. Just rip it off with your hand.
You need me to help you?
You rip it.
Rip it. Or do you need me to help you?
Look at it. Oh, you're okay. You're okay, bud. You're okay. Can you kiss it? Now kiss it.